Hey y'all! Welcome to your beginner's guide to houseplant care. Whether you're a green thumb in training or just trying to keep that one plant alive, these tips will have your home plants thriving in no time. First things first, light. It's essential to know what kind of light your plant needs. Most houseplants do well in bright indirect light. Think near a window with sheer curtains. But if you've got low-light plants like snake plants or pothos, they can handle the darker corners of your home. Next up, watering. Overwatering is the #1 killer of houseplants. Make sure the top inch of soil is dry before giving your plants a drink. And remember, it's better to underwater than overwater. Your plants will thank you. Now let's talk about soil. A good potting mix is key. Regular garden soil can be too dense for houseplants. Look for a mix that's light and well-draining. Adding some perlite or orchid bark can help improve drainage. Fertilizing your plants is like giving them a vitamin boost. During the growing season, which is typically spring and summer, use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. But remember, less is more. Over-fertilizing can harm your plants. Humidity can be a game changer, especially for tropical plants. If your home is dry, consider using a humidifier or placing your plants on a tray with pebbles and water. Misting can help too, but don't overdo it. Pruning is another crucial step. Regularly trim off dead or yellowing leaves. Not only does it make your plant look better, but it also encourages new growth. Repotting might sound scary, but it's necessary as your plant grows. When you see roots growing out of the drainage holes, it's time to move to a bigger pot. Choose one that's about 2 inches larger in diameter than the current pot. Finally, always check for pests. Little critters like spider mites or aphids can wreak havoc on your plants. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth and use insecticidal soap if needed. So there you have it. Light, water, soil, fertilizer, humidity, pruning, repotting, and pest control. Follow these tips and your houseplants will be the envy of everyone who visits. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.